What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Honda Civic here, back with another video. And today I'm using my GTR here again to come back and do some races, which for you guys will be pause and play. But like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned to my channel. The description's down below. Come on, guys, just jump in on my subscription today and just enjoy the video. Like, come on. So after this, will be just pause and play, so y'all just see what be just drag races. And oh, actually, after this race, we'll be going back into the garage, and I have some crates actually to open for you guys as well. So don't mind the PS4 back there. The PS4 is just going off like crazy. It's been doing that lately, so I'll just let it do what it does. What we get? What we get? Ooh! Hopefully, we get another opening today for the crates. I want to say I have about 13. 13 of the bronze. Hold up, give me a second. Stupid ad. I think I have 13 of the bronze. Oh, 14 of the bronze. And is it one or two? I don't know. One or two. We're doing the bronze first, of course. Let me turn the volume up over here. Get you guys away from those annoying beeps. Fucking PS4 is so annoying. Alright. Keep going. We're going to waste all of these key things. We're going to open up all these crates. All 12 of these crates, or 14 of these crates, whatever the hell it is. We're going to open them. We're going to get all these rare parts. Dodge, what? Another Ford? Hennessy, which we don't even have. We need some Hennessy. I have a lot of gas for you guys today as well. I overrank that gas for y'all. Overrank it. Overkill it. I'll do the blue ones last, because the blue ones, I'm pretty sure the blue ones, they always give you a car. So I'm going to do the blue ones last. I'm buying all these crates for y'all right now. All these crates. And more money. They just love me with the money. I haven't got money in a while. We have 6 more. 5 more. So we have 5. Oh, we have 14. Okay, altogether in total. Okay. I don't need to know that. You can go do that. Jesus. Alright. Alright. Oh, here we go for loyalty. SRT transmission. Come on, man. Can y'all give me something like a car? I know y'all people got cars in here. Damn. Not even one car. Alright. PS4 is getting annoying, by the way, guys. Jesus. Okay. Okay. Alright. So we have 2 more crates. And they're right over here. So we get in the car. You guys know we're getting a car. So let's find out what it is. Priority of 4. What is it? Who? 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 The Lycan Veneer? Super Sport? Looks clean though, I'm not gonna lie. What is it? What is it? VW Motors Lycan Hyper Sport. Okay, okay. Deliver that thing. Thing can sit pretty for a minute, because we're about to get another one, right, y'all? We're about to get another whip right now. Oh, you know what? Let's claim this 480 crate opening thing. Fully customized car? Sure, we can fully customize a car for 10 coins. What we got? This thing is clean. This thing is clean. You know what? Let's give it a plate number. $20,000 bet. Buy it. Fully customized. Money. I'm done. Next. Oh, I should have found out what tier that was. I bet you guys are probably saying the same thing to me. Yo, you should have checked what tier that car was. The Honda Civic. You bet. Y'all right. Y'all always right. What is this? What is it? Audi TT or something? Yeah, Audi TTRS. Audi TTR Plus. I ain't no plus. That's a little something from regular Audi TT that belongs in the how do you call it? The dealership. We got T2. Let me you guys up here a little bit. All right. After this, it's gonna be straight races. Straight races. What do you call it? Can't even think of the word right now. Back to back. Pause play. What I was telling you guys last time. Pause play races, basically. Pause play. Yeah. 2 T5s. Alright, I'm not gonna make the video be long and boring, like, I don't want to try to bore you guys. I've been seeing the videos of CSR on my rating on my YouTube channel go up and down. It's kind of confusing. I don't understand it, but y'all confuse me, I swear. It's like I see the videos for these videos go up, and it's like I see the other videos go down, and I'm just like confused. Like, you guys do not like CSR, y'all like CSR, especially my CSR version. Like, I got some good cards. I'm not gonna lie, I got some good, I got some ugly, I got some bad, I got some, I don't know, unusual, weird, whatever you guys think. Type of cards, I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect. Okay, so I have this. Oh yeah, by the way, I upgraded this Mini Cooper to the max. This Mini Cooper is about to be maxed out. Oh, not this Mini Cooper. This Mustang is like completely maxed out. The Mini Cooper though, is on another level. I didn't tune it or anything. It still needs a tune, as you guys can see right there. The little bar graph means it needs a tune. But we about to go take this car out for a little spin. What in the world happened to... Oh yeah, we did the daily thing. Alright, let's do the 3 races here. Oh, I can't do that? Can I still do the races over here? Oh yeah. I'll probably have to restart. So after this run, remember, it'll be pause play. From this point on, I'll be restarted the app. So, yeah. So, this is a fully built Mini Cooper. I wish you guys can hear it. It sounds not that bad. I wish I tuned it so the tune can... Am I gonna catch this Honda or not? Because I don't like this. Yeah, I can't even catch a Type R. Wow, that's really sad. Yeah, that's sad. Anyway, I'm gonna restart the app so you guys can get sound. I'm gonna pause play after this, so... I remember that number. We gonna run it down. We gonna run that over. So hold on. Oh, we must be slow. Alright. Switching to the faster G12 version. Mustang did not just stay up there. Hold up. You going on that? by the way, guys. Just let you know. What in the nigga straight hustled my ass. Well, I'm in the video here. It's been a little long. I'm in the video here. I know it was a loss of or I guess it was $500, a total of $1,000. I know I'm leaving it as a loss on this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I don't want to make the video longer. All the descriptions are down below. Share the video with your friend, please, guys. Come on. I want to make more videos, more car videos, more Honda Civic videos and stuff. So, share the video. Peace.